How to play Rainbow Six Siege with keyboard and mouse on Xbox. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to play Rainbow Six Siege on your Xbox using a keyboard and mouse, even though the game does not support it natively. Let's get started. Step-by-step tutorial. Step 1. Understand the trick. Rainbow Six Siege does not support keyboard and mouse on Xbox directly. So, we will use a special device that makes your Xbox thinking you're using a controller. Step 2. Choose your adapter. You need a third-party adapter. Some great options are XIM Ampex, Chronozen, Rear Snow, or Titan 2. Step 3. Plug everything in. Connect your Xbox controller to the adapter. Then, plug your adapter into the Xbox. Now, plug in your keyboard and mouse into the adapter's USB ports. Step 4. Set up the adapter software. Use the official app or software, like the XIM or Chronos app, to configure key bindings and sensitivity. Many have pre-made Rainbow Six Siege profiles. Feel free to tweak them matching your style. Step 5. Adjust in-game settings. Set your in-game sensitivity to high for smoother movement. Disable aim acceleration for better aim control. Step 6. You're ready. Start the game, and you should now be playing Rainbow Six Siege on Xbox with your keyboard and mouse, just like on PC. And that's it. That was the tutorial on how to play Rainbow Six Siege with keyboard and mouse on Xbox. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.